Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Burger Yeeps Hide and Seek. First, gather your Burger Yeep figures. These are small, burger-shaped characters that will be hidden. The game involves one player hiding the Yeeps and others trying to find them within a set time limit. It's a fun activity for all ages, perfect for a quick game or a longer session with friends. To begin, select a suitable playing area, ensuring it's safe and has plenty of hiding spots. One person becomes the hider, while the rest are seekers. The hider then takes all the Burger Yeeps and secretly places them around the chosen area. Make sure the seekers are not watching during this process, perhaps counting to 20 or 30 before starting. Hiders, try to be creative with your spots but avoid making them impossible to find. Think about placing them under objects or on shelves, but ensure a small part is visible. Seekers, start your search once the hider gives the signal. Look everywhere from high places to low corners, and don't forget to check behind things. Remember, the goal is to find all the hidden Burger Yeeps. The game concludes once all the Burger Yeeps have been successfully located by the seekers. You can decide to declare the seeker who found the most Yeeps as the winner, or simply play for fun. For an extra challenge, try setting a timer for the seekers. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.